Hello everyone, I hope you will be quite fine. Today I tell you about how to earn money with Amazon. Okay, so dear audience, sell your product hundred of million of Amazon customers. Uh, no pre-item listing fee. Okay, so if you want to create your account, here is a 39.99 per month selling fee. Sell online, self selling, advertising online, payment solution, and selling apps, independent publishing. So, selling apps, if you want to sell something app, so you can sell app. Amazon Store, sell your Android apps on the Amazon App Store and reach a million of Kindle Fire, Amazon Fire TV, and select Android devices easy to get started. 75% of Android app we tested work with no additional development necessary. Amazon monetize APIs. Monetize your apps and games integration. The Amazon app mobile ads API and a purchasing API of the mobile associates and API which lets you sell physical product in your app and earn up to 6% transaction fees. Amazon HTML web app. Sell your HTML5 apps on mobile optimized website on the Amazon Web Store, available in nearly 200 countries worldwide. Independent publishing, Kindle of direct show and audiobook creation exchange. So, Kindle direct publisher make it fast and easy for you make independently publish your book for free and reach a million of Kindle and Kindle apps regarding customer worldwide. Audiobook and Creation Exchange. The Audiobook Creation Exchange ACX give you control over audiobook and production. Connect with a network of leading audiobook producers or learn what you need. Know your produce it yourself. You can see reach a hundred of million of customers. So sign up and here you can see that now make money online with us. Sell product. Okay, sell Amazon business, sell mobile app, become a affiliate and advertise your product and self publish with us and host an Amazon. See make more money with Amazon. Build your business with Amazon. Million of small and medium size uh, business thought to connect a creator and developer from around of the world working with Amazon. Whatever your business may be, we had love for you to grow with us. So the audience create and sell and other you want to start e-commerce business online channel brand. There are a million of Amazon customers around the world waiting to discover your product. So create and sell. So start selling, reach a billion of customers over 118 countries and as an Amazon selling partner. More than of the unit purchased in a Amazon store come from small and medium business. Amazon business reach a million of business customers already shopping on Amazon. Match by Amazon. Create a merchandise design and earn a royalty with a no upfront investment. So Amazon Handmade. Join our artisan only community and sell a hundred handcraft goods. Black business associator, financial support, monitorship, and a marketing opportunity uh, for a certificated seller. Help spur to work. Your work hard to build your audience and provide a authentic content that resonates with them. Now you can provide a value while also earning referral fees for a purchase your audience made through your content. Affiliate program earn a referral fee by advertising product for Amazon on your blog on your content site. Amazon influencer earn a fees earn a referral fees by sharing curated set of product with a social media followers. And if you want to get started, so click here for Amazon product. Uh, Recommended product earn a commission. Amazon Associates Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program welcome the largest affiliate marketing program in the world. The Amazon Associate Program helps to content create a publisher and a blogger monetize their traffic with the million of products and program available on Amazon. Associates use a easy link built to direct their audience to their recommendation and earn from a qualified purchase and program. So, what kind of step you can earn money with Amazon? So join tens of hundreds of creators, publishers and bloggers who are earning with the Amazon Associate program. Recommended share a million of products with your audience. We have customized linking tools for a large publisher, individual blogger and a social media influencer. Earn up to 10% in associate commission from a qualifying purchase and program. Our competitive conversion rate helps to maximize earning. Frequently asked some question if you have another question. So how to start selling on Amazon? Hmm. Whatever you are already got an established e-commerce business, a great idea for a new product, or you are just have a passion for a selling, how to take that next step with Amazon. Before you start, use a selling with the individual plan. You all pay of $0.99 every time you sell an item. Professional plan costs a $39.99 monthly. So no matter how many items you sell, for a both plan, Amazon also collect referral fees on a e-sale, which a percentage of total transaction and a various of product categories. Visit our pricing pages and summary of selling fees. Consider your selling strategy. Refer a good popular product that already existing and offering them in a Amazon store. Brand owner, manufacturer, and a own product are a source of good selling, and their audience you can see uh, lot of seller do both. You can choose whichever method works to get. So sign up and pricing, cost of selling Amazon. Click here. Let's talk of member. The cost of selling Amazon depending on your selling plan and category, fulfillment strategy and other variables. The options are flexible so you can find the combo that work best for you and your goal. Selling plan and refer plan, fulfillment fees and other costs. So sign up your account and create your account, your email address and your password. So create your account, your name, your email, your password and enter password and next. That is a very easy way to create account in Amazon, but so difficult in our country. So thank you for watching this video. Take care yourself.